Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today we're going to be playing more Breath of the Wild. Let's go. Okay, so we just got on the Divine Beast Botw, and we're going. Okay, so I think what we need to do is first... get in... Oh, please... Done. We're in.
There are 4 terminals remaining. Still a ways to go.
Nope. Thanks, fairy. That was, Okay, still 2 more fairies, so I'm good. Just eat that. Oh. Okay, up we go. Terminal, bada boom.
There are 3 terminals remaining. Keep going.
Ah, thanks, Rivali. We should call him helpful to hit it. Okay, wind. Hold on. Do I have a double bow? That took so long for one stupid shrine. Oh my gosh. Okay, good.
There are 2 terminals remaining. You're almost there.
Wow, what a surprise, Rivali. Could it be that I'm just bad at the game? Oh no, it couldn't be. Okay. Oh. Bada boom. One more.
Just 1 terminal remaining. What do you know?
I know a lot, Rivali. What about you? Rivali, gotta have more faith in me, bud. So how do you do this puzzle again? Don't you, Okay, perfect.
That was the last terminal.
Oh,
Now
wow.
you just need to start the main control unit.
Oh my
I want you to take
gosh.
a good look at your map. There should be a new glowing point on there. Well, flap to it.
Yep, Rivali. It's not that bad. There. Dang. When he winks at you.
Good luck. That thing is one of Ganon's own, and it plays dirty. It defeated me 100 years ago, but only because I was winging it. I can't believe I'm
Oh,
actually saying
Rivali.
this. But you must avenge me, Link.
Oh, I will. This is gonna be easy.
His aim is dead on. Watch yourself.
Oh, watch myself.
Now's your chance.
Okay, halfway.
Watch your
Getting some food.
spot.
It's time for some food healy uppies. I'm so close. Hey there, bud. Bud, there's 2 tornadoes. Get off of there, you goofy. Oh my gosh. Get over there. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Hit them. Oh my. This stupid guy. He's not hard, he's just annoying. It was fun. It was real. But it wasn't real fun. Bud, it's time for you to go. See ya. And now we get to watch you die. My favorite part. Welcome back to watching things die with ya boy. You have a very long, skinny neck. I'm so happy. I do have a question. If we don't defeat the Blights and we go to the castle, do the Blights go to the castle and leave the divine beasts? And then once they die, just gives you something to think about. It's a heart. What was that in my voice? Heart. Amazing. Yeah. I will activate the main control unit.
Well, I'll be plucked.
Hey,
You
Rivali.
defeated him, eh? Who would have thought?
Bro, at least you could smile at me.
Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Meadow back to its rightful owner. Don't preen yourself just for doing your job. I do suppose you've proven your value as a warrior worthy of my unique ability, the sacred skill that I have dubbed Rivali's Gale.
Ah, okay. The question is, in Breath of the Wild 2, do I still have these
It's now
abilities?
time to move on and start making preparations for Meadow's strike on Ganon. But only if you think you'll still need my help while you're fighting inside Hyrule Castle. Feel free to thank me now.
You're welcome.
Or, never mind, just go. Your job is far from finished, you know.
He'd be a good mentor, honestly. You're not bad, Rivali. Thank you.
The princess has been waiting an awfully long time.
My bad, I've been asleep the whole time. I'm awake now. Nothing to fret. It's a big bird. Oh, so it's actually flying now. Whee! Oh, those are Rito. Also birds. I thought those were birds in the sky. They are, but like the intelligent kind.
Meadow's sights are now set. You'll have a precise speed on Ganon from this vantage point. And when the time is right, give him everything you've got.
Yeah.
Now we wait for that perfect moment. Meadow, we've been artfully patient for the last 100 years. I doubt you'll suffer a feather over a few more moments. After all these years, I simply must admit the truth. Even without the power of flight, Link made his way to this divine beast and accomplished something that even I could not. Guess I was wrong about how lucky he would be. I hope that luck holds out, Link, for everyone's sake.
Thank you. Rivali's a good guy. He's just ignorant. He's ignorant sometimes. Everyone can be. All the time. But he's a good guy. Never to worry, Rivali. Yes. Let's make it up to the tower, then end the episode. Rivali's Gale. Boom. Amazing. This has been a wonderful episode, guys. We have 2 of the Fort of Arc Beasts. Very excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. So whenever I release a new video, you guys will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get that little droplet. if we get, maybe we can get to 250 subscribers before Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom is out. If we could do that, that'd be amazing. But we got that. Only a few left to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless. Thank you guys so much for watching. If we could get to 250 before Tears of the Kingdom comes out, that'd be amazing. Subscribe and God bless.